SiteClone AI. Attention! The future of cloning and migrating websites from one domain to other is here. New breakthrough. World's first cloud-based AI app. Clones and migrates any website on your domain entirely with all its forms, contents, blog posts, images, videos, static pages, media files, database, plugins, forms, and more. 2 clicks equals clone. Customize and give your site a fresh new look with built-in world-class drag and drop editor and sell them on Fiverr, Upwork, and Flippa for $500 minus $1,000. No tech skills needed. No experience required. No hidden fees. No BS. Features of SiteClone AI. Clone and migrate any website on your domain in less than 60 seconds. Instantly migrate all the website's contents, including images, videos, pages, media files, databases, templates, themes, and much more. Effortlessly customize and edit the websites and pages with built-in, world-class site editor. Schedule and download real-time daily website backups on complete autopilot. Add unlimited custom domains and subdomains without any restrictions. Clone and host unlimited websites on our ultra-blazing fast servers with 100% uptime guarantee. Pick from over 1,000 plus jaw-dropping AI website templates across various niches, all done for you. Select your perfect fit from 500 plus done-for-you stunning theme templates. One-click AI content generation. Instantly create and add jaw-dropping AI contents like images, videos, and more. Add CTAs, opt-in forms, exit pop-ups, and more to websites you cloned. Built-in AI copywriter. Generate high-converting sales copies, blog posts, and articles for your websites and skyrocket traffic and sales. Increase your website's loading time by 10x with one-click image and video optimization tool. Secure your websites against hackers, malware, and viruses with our built-in anti-threat cybersecurity protection technology. AI-driven SEO tools. Rank your websites on the first page of Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Built-in automatic device responsiveness. Built-in analytics tool lets you track the website performance. Built-in free SSL certificate integration for secure data transmission. AI-driven live chat support for real-time assistance. Fire all your expensive tools and services. Say goodbye to monthly fees. Commercial license included. Create and sell as many assets as you like to your clients. Newbie-friendly, easy-to-use dashboard. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Clone, migrate, and host websites in just 3 steps. Clone, migrate, and host any website on your domain just with the URL. In less than 60 seconds. Step number 1. Enter the URL of the website that you want to clone on your domain. Step number 2. Clone and migrate. SiteClone AI effortlessly clones and migrates the complete website entirely just with URL, along with its all contents in less than 60 seconds. Step number 3. Publish and profit. Sell these high-in-demand cloned websites on Fiverr and Upwork while earning $500 minus $1,000 per website on complete autopilot. Or start your very own AI site cloning and migrating agency and charge people any amount you want. And that's all needed to profit from SiteClone AI. Just follow these 3 easy steps and start creating world-class websites like never before. So dear friend, if you want to buy or want to know more about, please visit the description link below or check out my bio. Thank you.